Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amrita Rupani and in today's video I am going to talk about Saskatchewan Immigrant Nominee Program. And guys, it is one of the most requested videos from you guys, so I decided to make one. So without wasting any time, let's just start. Saskatchewan Immigration Nominee Program is one of the ways to come to Canada. This is one of the most popular PNP because of its low requirements and fast application process time. And Saskatchewan Nominee Program has 4 streams such as International Skilled Worker, Saskatchewan Experience, Entrepreneur, and Farm stream. And in this video, I am going to discuss International Skilled Worker stream, which is further subdivided into 3 streams such as Occupation in Demand, Employment Offer, and Express Entry. This video is particularly about Occupation in Demand because most of you wanted to know about this stream, so let's just start. Okay, Occupation in Demand stream is one of the easiest ways to come to Canada because of its low requirements. And guys, it is for those individuals who have education and work experience in a high skilled and in demand occupation. Now let's just cover the requirements of this stream one by one in detail. The first requirement is education, and guys, for this stream, the minimum education you need is degree, diploma, or certificate. And guys, for all the education obtained outside of Canada, you need to submit an assessment report, which is called ECA report, from a designated organization, and this is the list of approved organizations as per IRCC. The next requirement is language test. You must have a language score of at least CLB level 4, which means if you are planning to write IELTS exams, then the minimum score you should have 3.5 in reading. For writing, it should be 4, 4.5 in listening, and 4 in speaking. Okay, now let's talk about work experience. So it should be from NOC skill level 0, A or B, and you must have 1 year of paid work experience. That means minimum 30 hours per week in a skilled occupation over the past 10 years. And guys, your work experience should be related to your degree or diploma that you have, and it shouldn't be from the excluded occupation list as specified by this stream. So guys, this is a list of occupations which are not eligible for this in-demand occupation stream, and the link is given in the description box below. However, people with these professions may qualify for other Saskatchewan streams. Okay, now let's talk about proof of professional status or license. Some of the professions need you to have a professional license or certificate to practice in Canada. And if you want to apply to this stream and if you want to work in one of those professions, then you need to submit additional documentation that is necessary to complete the assessment of your application. So guys, this is a list of those professions that need you to submit additional documents, and the link is given in the description box below. Now let's move on to the next. In order to qualify for this stream, you need minimum 60 points out of 100 points in the points assessment grid. So basically the point system is divided into 2 main factors. First is labor market success, and the other one is connection to Saskatchewan labor market. And these 2 factors are further subdivided into different categories such as education, work experience, age, language ability, and the total points assigned for factor 1 are 70 and for factor 2 it's 30. So the total score for both factors is 100, and out of that you need to achieve 60 points minimum. And guys, these are the factors that are used to find out whether you qualify for an international skilled worker subcategory or not. And the immigration officer will confirm your claimed points by using your submitted documents, and the list of those required documents is this on which your points will be assessed. And guys, the link is given in the description box below. Okay, now let's see how much funds do you need for the settlement. You need to show a proof that you have funds that will support you and your family members during your job search after you arrive. The minimum amount required for your application is based on the size of your family members. For example, if you are 4 people in your house, let's say you, your husband, and 2 children, then the minimum amount you need to show for 3 months is 23,542 Canadian dollars. And guys, the link of this settlement funds is given in the description box below. You can check it out. Next requirement is settlement plan that you need to provide with your documents. And guys, that you can get it from their official website, which is cic.gc.ca, and the link is given in the description box below. So this is called Living in Canada tool to create your settlement plan. So all you have to do is just answer their simple questionnaire, and if you are living outside of Canada, then you need to select this option, which is no, I applied but I'm still waiting. And after you answer their questionnaire, this tool will create your settlement plan. And guys, this is very helpful for you, so you can print or email this plan to yourself from that page in order to attach it to your application. Okay, so once you have gathered all the required documents, your next step is to apply for occupation in demand subcategory. And for that, first you will have to submit an expression of interest. It is an online form that you need to fill out to show your interest to apply to the SINP. So basically it is just a pre-application process, and this is where you can create your EOI profile. Once you will create your account, all you have to do is just enter all the required information, such as your passport number, date of birth, education, age, and all the related information that is required for your application. You can also refer the guide to create your EOI profile, which is super straightforward and easy to understand, and the link of this guide I have provided in the description box below. And after the submission of your EOI profile, if you meet the selection criteria, you will receive an invitation to submit an application, and all the instructions will be provided to you into your invitation. And the fee is $350 for the application, and you must pay online by Visa or MasterCard. And guys, you can check the estimated processing time for past applications on this page, and the link is given in the description box below. And if you are nominated by Saskatchewan, then you will have 6 months to submit your paper-based PR application, and you can get the complete package at their website, which is cic.gc.ca, and all the instructions are given on this page, and the link is given in the description box below. Processing time for the paper-based PNP applications for PR is usually within 18 months. Okay guys, so that was pretty much it for today, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment box. I would definitely answer them in my upcoming videos. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel, because there's a lot more coming up for you guys. Till then, you take care, and I'll see you again.